Let's start by creating a new page and entering a title. Use the /command/calendar to insert a calendar view into your page. From the three-dotted icon for more options, choose the database to link your new calendar to. Once ready, hover on any day in your calendar for which you wish to create a schedule. Click on the plus icon that appears to add an item. This new item also functions similar to a page and can even be expanded into a full page. Enter a title for your schedule and begin typing. A helpful way to create schedules is by utilizing Notion's to-do list. Use the /command/todo to insert them. Now use the @ symbol to browse more options. We will be using this to add a timestamp to our list. Depending on what you type after the @ symbol, Notion will automatically suggest a timestamp as an option. You can use this to set time for your tasks. Click to insert. You can now click on this new timestamp to view specific options. Consider setting a reminder for this time using the pop-up menu. Choose the desired time for your reminder to go off. Click anywhere outside to close. Continue adding more items to your schedule. Once done, click outside the area to close. You now have your own calendar in Notion with a custom schedule for each day with timestamps and reminders included.